Hey guys, I just want to make this video for Marvin's with MVLB Media. He has been handling our emails for the last 6 months and he's done a fantastic job. I've used so many different email agencies and people to help us with our emails and back and forth, and I was very impressed by Marvin's in the way that he worked and the way that he aligned with what we wanted and the way that we wanted to talk to our customers and the way that we wanted to show up. He really understood it, and he worked to continue to improve the process the entire way. And so he was always willing to bring us down in the weeds if we wanted to be down in the weeds, but he was also willing to be the one down in the weeds and then report back up. And I honestly couldn't recommend him more. I think he's a fantastic worker, a fantastic part of your team, and you'd be lucky to bring him on. So just want to make this video really quick for him because he deserves it. He's done an amazing job with us, and I'm sure he'll do an amazing job if you're thinking about hiring him yourself.